Hello bestie, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this homemade pizza. It tastes so good and delicious, very quick to prepare. Let's quickly go into the preparation of this pizza, and I know you are going to enjoy it. So here in this bowl, I will be measuring out the flour I will use to prepare this pizza. Then the next thing, I added some sugar. Sugar is optional. Then salt, instant dry yeast powder, then after adding in everything, I will go ahead and mix everything together. Mix it very well so that every ingredient that was added will mix properly. Then after mixing it, I added some oil and some lukewarm water, that is then go ahead and mix it in properly until the whole dry ingredient and the wet one is well combined. So I'll go ahead and mix and then drop the spatula and continue to knead it with my hands. So on this plain surface, I already cleaned the surface, so I have to grease it with just a little oil. Then I'm going to do the kneading on the plain surface. So knead it so I kneaded it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so after kneading it, I will go ahead and grease the bowl. Okay, I'm going to use oil to grease the bowl so that when I put the dough into the bowl, it will not stick on it whenever it rises. So I'm going to put the dough into the bowl and let it sit in there for it to rise, okay, until this dough double in size. Then that is when we are ready to go. So while it is rising, I'm going to go ahead to prepare the sauce, okay, the pizza base or the sauce base rather. So I just added in some garlic so that the garlic will be able to infuse into the oil. There's some sesame oil, this is optional. So now time for me to add in the chicken. So you can use any protein of your choice. You can even make fish pizza, or you can use meat, okay, or even corned beef. So I'm adding in all the ingredients into the chicken, okay, the chicken seasoning, some salt, some pepper. So this is white pepper, I just added in there. Then go ahead and mix properly. So after mixing, I'm going to let it continue cooking. So this pizza is a homemade pizza. It's so good and easy to make. It is even more healthier to make it yourself than for you eating outside. Okay, eating outside is also good if you want to, just once in a while, but homemade pizza is very yummy and delicious, and you will know what exactly you are eating, to be sincere. So I just added in some pepper, chili pepper, into the chicken. Okay, this is chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs as well to make this. Okay, like I said, you can use any protein of your choice to prepare this pizza. It will still come out delicious and yummy. The essence of showing you how to make this pizza is for you to have an idea of what you can use to prepare your own pizza, and it is not difficult to make. Okay, so the chicken is ready. I'm just taking it out and I'm going to set it aside. Then in this same pan, I'm going to go ahead to fry the tomato. Okay, so this is the tomato sauce I'm going to use to make the pizza. Yeah, so this is a blended tomatoes. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to add in all the dry spices. Okay, I add in some basil dry leaf and also some salt, then some oregano. Oregano is very good for pizza. That you'll be wondering, how does this pizza taste? What type of ingredient is in this pizza? So that is oregano for you, and it is very healthy. It's an healthy herbs. The pizza dough has already doubled in size. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened. That part didn't show up in the video, so sorry about that. So it has risen to the extent it's supposed to for 60 minutes. Okay, so here in the pizza tray, I'm going to be folding out or spreading out the pizza dough. I just oiled the pizza pan. Okay, yes, so I'm going to spread the pizza dough on this pan. Okay, so behind the camera I made another pizza dough. Okay, just to double up the size of the pizza I want to make. Yes, so I made extra one behind the camera. I have finished spreading the pizza dough in the pan, so it is time for me to add in the tomato I prepared earlier. Okay, the tomato sauce. All right, it is still hot. You can leave yours to be cold before adding it. Okay, so after adding the tomato sauce, the next thing is to add the cheese. Okay, I used mozzarella cheese, so I will be using bacon as well to prepare this. This is optional. You can do away with the bacon, but I just want to use bacon to make this up. Okay, because the chicken breast would not be enough to make this, so I now decided to add bacon to it. Okay, just to spice it up. So pizza, our homemade pizza, is getting and putting up the shape it's supposed to. Yes, so I'm just adding in the chicken, okay, that we prepared earlier. So I'm going to be reserving the rest of the chicken, so I'm going to use it to prepare the remaining pizza dough, which I told you I made extra behind the camera. Yes, so you will see the outcome of the both pizza when it is ready. So I just added some vegetables and also some salt just to give it that extra taste. Okay, then I will top it up with cheese. Making pizza without oregano, for me, I don't think it is pizza. So I love oregano in my pizza all the time. So I just added some oregano and also some more cheese. So if you're the type that don't really like cheese, you can reduce the quantity. So I just popped it into the oven, and now our pizza is ready. So you can see the other pan, okay, the other pizza tray. Yes, that was the one I made behind the camera, and it rises very well. So please, bestie, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. So now the pizza is ready. It is time for me to cut it out, and I'm going to definitely taste this pizza for you to see how delicious and how yummy it tastes. Okay, so will you be trying this pizza out, bestie? Will you be giving it a try? If yes, please kindly drop in the comment section how you made yours. Okay, remember I used instant yeast to prepare this, instant dry yeast to make this pizza. Okay, yes, so you can see how this our pizza is looking. It looks so good and yummy. So like I said, you can always let yours to rise more than at least for that 60 minutes. Okay, just be patient. Yes, so now that the pizza is ready, I'm going to go ahead to enjoy it with my family. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye bye.